Tomorrow is last day of the sprint. I have 5 more tickets on my to-do list. Ho ho! Abhi! Hey dude, D&D at my place tonight. Alright! I need to finish this. Hey manager, I have a few questions about one of the assignments this sprint. So here it is. Which tickets do you want me to submit? Oh geez, all 5 of them? Okay. How about 1? Well, how about giving this work to Abhi? Well, it's not cheating. I am sick. Hello? Do you need his phone number? Hello? Hello? Okay. Now let's get back to work. What? The old man wearing 101 jacket in Squid Game is Jihan's father? Dang! Oh, that's so much work pending. I know. Come on! The code to call this API? Dude, are you coming tonight? No, I need to finish my print assignment. Alright, let me watch a tutorial and make notes for this. Why is my screen stuck? Hello? Why do you work only when I binge watch Netflix shows? Why? I have to submit tomorrow. I made this life choice to work hard tonight. And stop pop laptop, you are responsible for all that. And you know what the worst part is? I know you can't even talk. You can't talk. This whole Udemy course to do. Really? Oh, I know. Why don't I just cheat? Hack the main website and show my tickets are complete. Alright. And the screen froze again. You are crushing my dreams. Bad laptop. What, Abhi? No, I cannot come to your D&D. I need to finish my tickets by tomorrow morning. Yeah. See you in 5 minutes. Come, let's be serious. I will submit these tickets and I will succeed. I will make my whole team proud. It was a nightmare. I thought that was all real for a second. Okay. Phone is ringing. Hey Abhi. Yeah, I just woke up. I was dreaming that you invited me to D&D and that I finished all my tickets in just one night. It sounds crazy, right? What? Seriously? You invited me to D&D yesterday night? Wait a second. Brent is calling me. Hey Brent.
Manu, it is pretty impressive what you did last night.
What's that?
You finished all 5 tickets in a single night.
What's that?
This is the exact type of leadership we are looking for that we need in this company right now. Someone who can handle last-minute pressure and understands how to get deadlines met. That's why today I am promoting you as the new tech lead.
What's that?
Congratulations. I'm increasing your salary to $500,000. We're also covering all of your future vacation expenses.
What's that?
Keep up the good work. Congratulations again.